this way, not so watery. You can just grip it like this and draw. Hey guys, welcome to another beautiful day, and today we are going to be making buns. So today I am making my own buns. Like, if you think this thing is so hard, I tell you it's because you've not given it a try. So try making your own buns. You just discover that, wow, so you can actually do this thing. So today I am keeping the ingredients as basic as possible because anyone can actually do this right in your kitchen. Here we have flour. Here I have a glass of water, I have sugar, I have salt, butter, baking powder, nutmeg. If you don't have nutmeg, you can do without using nutmeg. So I also have eggs here. You can add milk, it's optional. So if you like milk, you can add milk to your own buns. So people, to make these buns, let's get straight into business. So here I'm going to add the powder to the powder, like the sugar, the salt, the nutmeg, the baking powder. I'm going to add them all in this flour powder, post flour. So here I have my sugar. I'll be adding the sugar. We have our salt. We add the salt so that we can mix everything together. We have the nutmeg. We can also mix everything together. And here we have the baking powder. So this baking powder is actually very small, so I'm using 2 sachets of the baking powder. So we have baking powder, and here again we have another baking powder. So now I'm going to mix up all the powders together so that every part of the all-purpose flour will receive all the other powder like sugar, salt, baking powder, nutmeg. So gently mix together this way. Otherwise, you don't want your kitchen to be so messed up. I mean, this thing can actually mess up your kitchen. The powder can just fly everywhere and it will be hard to clean. So just gently take it from the bottom to the top. This way you will perfectly mix up everything. Just imagine the whole flour. See to it that you touch every part of the flour. Okay guys, so at this point in time, it is time to add the egg and the butter. So make this space so that you can easily put the egg right here. And be careful so the shell does not fall into your mixture. You don't want that, right? So I'm going to add the butter right away. Mixing together until you get something like this. So at a point whereby it looks like you can easily still break the flour, At this point in time, it is time for you to add the water. So as you're adding the water, make sure you don't over add water. That is why it's best to add the water bit by bit. So we are still going to add a little more water because from the mixture I can still feel the thickness of this flour, but you don't want to over add water, so still be very careful. So you can see this way, not so watery. You can just grip it like this and draw. So that way you will just know you've gotten a good mixture. So guys, we are going to be frying on a very low heat. I have my pan already on the stove. Putting in the vegetable oil. Preferably, you should have a deep fry. So guys, here is our first set of frying. You can see our beautiful golden brown buns. Like at this point in time, this buns is ready. So this buns is ready to be out of the fire. So people, this is how to achieve a yummy buns even by your own self from your own very kitchen. DIY buns making. So people, here this buns is as good as ready. I'm going to take out the buns right now from the heat. So guys, this is the very first set I fried. You can see the buns came out excellently well. Like, take a look at this. Look at the color of the buns. Golden brown, you know. This is already looking yummy. Let me open one for you so that you will see how the inside is looking. Like, you can really make this thing by yourself. This is not hard at all. So I'm going to pop one open right now. Ta-da! Look at that. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is amazing, and it's so crunchy. I know, because looking at these buns, you just know it's crunchy. But let me try it. Mmm. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You need to make your own buns. Like, subscribe so that you can be part of these buns. This is so yummy. This is very, very yummy. Please do subscribe. Please subscribe and have a share of your own buns. This is super yummy. Mmm. 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 Oh my god. Guys, I can't even talk again because this buns is something else. Please, I'm going to fry the other ones off camera. Subscribe. See you in the oh my god. Oh my god, this is so yummy. The crunchiness, the sugar level, the salt level. I mean, even with basic ingredients, it came out excellently well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Catch up with you all in the comment section as well as see you in my next video. Please subscribe, like, share. Catch up with you in my next video. Bye bye.